Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw muli niyo ako samahan na mag-react sa paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm guys. Ito yung kanilang cover song ng Blue Sky. Ayan, tignan natin kung gaano kagaling dito ang paboritong banda ng bayan.
Morning, today's focus calls Blue Sky.
Binatang binata na yung boses ni Dudes, ano? Buong buo na.
Sun is shining in the sky. The rain, the cloud inside. It's not raining, everybody's in the...
Sa mga nakakalam guys, anong genre ba to? Yung kanilang tinutugtog na to ngayon. Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section sa mga nakakalam.
play. And don't you know, it's a beautiful new day. Hey, running down the avenue, see how the sun shines bright in the city.
Ang husay talaga nila pipili ng i-cover, ano? Talagang bagay na bagay sa kanila itong kanta na to.
On the streets where once was paved, it's the blue sky is living here today. Hey, it's the blue sky. Please tell us why you had to hide.
Ang lupit talaga ng harmony nila, no? Walang kakupas-kupas.
For so long, where did we go wrong? It's the blue sky. Please tell us why you had to hide away for so
Galing nila tumiming, no? Pag yung mga bagsakan yung mga kanta, ang galing nila tumiming.
long. Where did we go wrong?
Sabay-sabay talaga yung pagbagsak. Walang nahuhuli, walang nauuna. Ayun. Lupit talaga ni Master Chen mag-adlib, ano?
Hey, you with a pretty face. Welcome to the human race. Celebration is the blue skies of the way.
Napapaindak si Tatay Franz sa kanilang tugtugan na to.
And today is the day we've waited for. Oh, it's the blue sky. Please tell us why you had to
Ang ganda ng tunog ng keyboard ni Char dito.
hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Hey there, Mr. Blue. We're so pleased to be with you. Look around, see
Ang ganda ng kulay ng gitara ni Master Chen, ano? Yung pagka-blue. Ganda.
what you do. Everybody's watching you. Hey there, Mr. Blue. We're so pleased to be with you.
Yun, no? Ang lupit ng bassline ni Tatay Franz dito.
Look around, see what you do. Everybody's watching you.
Ayun, no? Kakaiba yun, yung effects na yun, ano? Parang, robot. O sa, parang sa space. Yung tunog. Kakaiba. Sa keyboard yata ni Char yun, nanggagaling.
Mr. Blue, you did it right. But sometimes Mr. Night creeping over. Now his hand is on your shoulder. Never mind, I'll remember.
Ano masasabi nyo guys dito sa cover song na to ng Banda Franz Rhythm guys? I-comment nyo lang guys ang inyong mga reaction sa ating comment section.
You this, I remember you this way. Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong?
Napaka-smooth ng second voice ni Char, ano?
Hey there, Mr. Blue Sky, we're so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody's coming to you.
Grabe talaga, paboritong banda ng bayan. Walang pili sa genre. Talagang lahat swak sa kanila tugtugin. O, di ba? Ang lupit ng harmony. Grabe, tatak Franz Rhythm. Grabe. Ang solid nun. May jump pa sila sa patapos.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love, love, love.
O, di ba guys? Solved na naman kayo sa panonood sa paboritong banda ng Franz Rhythm, guys. Andito guys sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang cover song. At kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong klaseng reaction video, mag-subscribe na rin kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating i-upload. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.